Hello everyone who usuku lakho luhamba kahle useziphendulelile-ke uphakela umthakathi emva kokuthi-ke kuphume izindaba noma kuputshuke izindaba ezithi yena uphakela umthakathi uthandana nentokazi yakwaDube yaseZimbabwe. Abantu base-South Africa-ke bese bembuka ngelinye iso ngoba bese kuthiwa yena uphakela umthakathi ukwazi kanjani ukuthi axoshe abantu bofika ebe yena Msalofu ebe ethandana naye umuntu okufika. Asiqale ngaye-ke usisi lokuthi uthandana naye uphakela umthakathi waseZimbabwe silalela isayidi lakhe le-story.
I think I have picked up i-courage yokukhuluma nabantu ku-social media after all this trending that I didn't see coming. Okokuqala nje I just wanna apologize to uphakela ngoku-expose i-privacy yakhe, because I mean, if that picture of mine was not somewhere on Facebook, I don't think ukuthi besizofika kule stage esikuso and I know ukuthi ubaba wemizi nabafazi bakhe and all that. So that was just by the way. I'm sorry about that. But manje ke a lot is happening on social media and a lot is being said ezingamanga that I have to defend myself. King Zile, ngiyakuhlonipha bhuti wami, I respect you a lot because you say you are standing for humanity, you are standing for African and everything. And I am an African woman and I am a Zimbabwean. I'm part of the people that you are actually fighting for. But unknowingly, you are now fighting me and attacking me. You don't have facts of whatever you are accusing me for. Fine, it's Tombe Sami Ostatile and you managed to attack Upagela Usebenzisa, which is fine. You are winning that side, but what about my side?
Nakudase sesimzwileke usisi asikusilalele yena kuphakela umthakathi ke yena ke naye ayichazele naye ke sayidi lakhe.
Angikaze ngibe nomfazi eZimbabwe. Angeke ngize ngibe nomfazi eZimbabwe. Ngake ngaba nayo intombi engangiyithanda. Kodwa ngabona ukuthi hayi angeke kulungu ngase ngihoshe inyawo. Futhi ngaphambi ukuthi leyo ntombi ngikhulume nayo, menze isiqiniseko sokuthi ngibuke ukuthi into zayo zokubala ezweni ziqondile yini. Angifuni ke ngoba mina ngithi mase ngehlukene nomuntu bese ngibabhitha.
Bese khulunywa sekuthuka uphakela umthakathi ulibele ukuthi abahambe but he sleeps with a foreigner every day. Bashinta abangayazi, beshinta abangenayo isho ihayo, but-ke I hope ukuthi uphendulekile-ke kuyona yonke imibuzo obufisa kuphenduleka kuyona uma ukuthi ubusuzwile ngalolu daba. Now usuyazi ukuthi ngempela kwenzakaleni nokuthi ngempela kwenzakalani. Hayi ngoba uphakela umthakathi ethandana noma eshade nomuntu waseZimbabwe. Into iya kwi-past leyo, into engasesiyona into yamanje, into nje isiputshuke ngoba phela nakho eselwisana nabo abantu bokufika. But-ke sivala la i-video namhlanje siba unqi. I really hope you enjoyile i-video namhlanje. If you enjoyile, make sure ukuthi uyayismasha lo like button, uphinde usmasha nalo subscribe button, and also comment down below na-ke wena-ke umbono wakho ngalolu daba lakhe-ke uphakela umthakathi. Ngabe ubusuyizwile yini le ndaba nokuthi kufike nemqondweni wakho mase uyizwile ungakayizwa-ke yonke lento-ke esesiqeda ukuyibona manje, kade usezwe nje ukuthi uphakela umthakathi ushade neZimbabwe, kufikeni emqondweni wakho-ke. But mina wami komsebenzi sengiqedile and I will see you in the next video. Bye.